Welcome to day 2 of Trading Camp. This is Solix, and in this part, we are going to talk about time frames. Why are they so important and helpful, and how can we use them? So, without wasting time, let's hit the chart. Okay, I have them for you here, guys. This is our explanation. A time frame in trading is the amount of time that one candle represents on a chart. Okay, for example, 1 minute means 1 m time frame for each candle. Okay, it means, for example, look, we have a table here. I have 1 minute time frame, I have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We have too many time frames, different time frames. Okay, but which one are we going to use? That depends on the future. Okay. For example, I'm going to choose 1 day. Okay. It means every single of these candles made in 24 hours. Okay, so for example, you see, guys, look at the bottom of here, look at the bottom of my screen. You see, for example, it is Friday, so the last candle must be Tuesday. Okay, other one must be Wednesday. So every single candle made in 24 hours. When I hit 5 minutes, it means every single of these candles made in 5 minutes. But I think you guys heard this before. For example, I am a scalper. I am a long term trader. I am a swing trader. I am a, for example, fast scalp trader. Okay, what does that mean? It means, for example, I am a scalper. So that means I trade only on 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I am a fast scalper, so I'm going for 1 minute time frame. I am a long-term trader. It means I'm going for daily time frame. So this is it. You can find your own strategy and your own time frame, but it is too soon for now. By the way, we have something that we call it multi-time frame. What does that mean? It means, for example, I'm going to tell you my own way. For example, I'm going to trade on US 30. Okay, you can see my live trades on my YouTube channel. Uh, for example, I'm going to use 30 minutes time frame for my analysis. Okay, and then I will use 5 minutes time frame for my entry, for my stop loss, for my trades. Okay, for my targets. But why I use 30 minutes time frame? Believe me, most of the time priority is for higher time frames. Okay, so higher time frames is more important. For example, if I can see a downtrend on higher time frame, probably I shouldn't go for long trades. Or for example, I see on higher time frames, I see a uptrend, so probably I have to be careful about selling in lower time frame because higher time frames are older and got more priority. So this is it. So simple, yeah? But believe me, these simple basic things are very important and you have to take care about them. Then you can be advanced and nothing else. Let's go for the next step. Love you all. Bye bye.